This is AAA Sign Crafters, the company that is going to wrap the TKE donated refrigerator. This company is ran by Mr. Hank Cobb, good buddy of mine, located right here in Marietta, Georgia. As you can see, here's his phone number. And as this refrigerator progresses, I will send you the next video of what it looks like. This is my truck. And I'm running around Atlanta today. And this is the refrigerator that I am having donated to the TKE-ZN. This is a project bus that Mr. Hank Cobb is wrapping. And here's an example of his work that he does. He has taken an old Jeep and actually wrapped the Jeep. And this is Hank's brother. Say hello.
Hello.
This is the office where all the creativity comes out of. And then this is Mr. Hank Cobb right here on his phone.
Do what now?
And his graphics creator. And as soon as I get this refrigerator done, I'll be posting you a video when we complete the job. More later.